I'm on for this afternoon. 5 o'clock.
That voicemail seemed a little suspicious. We should keep an eye on this guy.
Yeah, actually, that would be pretty smart. Where the hell is this guy? I'm tired of this shit.
I don't know. Maybe we should go take a look inside.
Yeah. You got your camera charged, right?
Should be, yeah.
Alright.
Let's go take a look. I don't even understand why anyone would be interested in a property like this.
Yeah, we haven't sold it in years. It's just been sitting here to rot. You know, when I came here, started feeling sick, honestly. I think it might be asbestos or something, but
Yeah, this property doesn't seem suitable for living.
definitely need some new appliances. Shit's all outdated. Breaker. Nothing works. No sign of him anywhere.
Did you inspect the second floor when you inspected this property?
Briefly, but I didn't really look into it. Why?
Well, we're supposed to thoroughly inspect every floor of each property to make sure the support systems are intact.
Hey, Brad, you find anything? Hey, you alright? Brad? Oh, shit. Holy fucking shit.
Found this note in the room. My camera unexpectedly stopped working, and I can't get it to come back on.
Yeah, You know, I'm tired of this.
Yeah, we should get the hell out of here. Maybe
Fucking-
try to get a hold of the previous owner.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Where the fuck is this guy?
Yeah, I have no clue, man.
Starting to get annoying.
Harvey? Hey, come over here.
Is that him?
Hey, are you Harvey?
I guess you could call me that.
Well, from the looks of it, it seems you're relatively interested in this property again.
Yeah. What you holding in your hand?
It's this note we found in the house. Do you have anything to do with it?
I don't, actually.
It's weird.
Kind of recognize the handwriting.
You know, that was kind of suspicious. You know,
Turn the fucking camera off. I'm tired of this shit.
hey, what's wrong?
Turn it off.